How to add your field link to your post on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your field link to your post on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and click share profile, and then just click edit profile, and not edit profile, sorry, go down and post anything you want, and then just click these 3 points here and then click fill links activity and select anything you want, and as you see, that's it. Then just post it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.